just haven't seen me for a couple days, but I'm here. I'm back. So I'm going to do a first step. So the condensed glue gel is really thick density. When you're using it, just using a little bit. Unless you're using like a big crystal cluster pointed back, then you need a little bit more. When you're doing a flat back, you just need a little, but not too little. It's mean enough that's not to flood your crystal, and also it's not going to make your crystal falling off because it's not enough. And if you have a troubleshootings and difficulty with that, with the crystal placement, you definitely want this bestie with you. Your condensed glue gels, your no web top coat, and then the precision glue gels. This three bestie you're going to be on the station when you're doing your crystal. As long as you're doing your crystal and all your crystal from like a simple set to short set to the long set, I've been moving a lot, and I've been packing like 2 pallets of the products to go to show. And look, it's still there. I was waiting to see it's gonna knock that off. It's haven't done anything at all. And it will really get abused really good. But the growing out is still on there. So let's start with the next step, which is no wipe top coat. So I'm just so excited between like step by step, and then it's, oh my gosh, look at the crystal, it's not even one falling off. I have one in this, and it still stay there. It's like a little bit still there.
And Courtney, yes, we can do a trifecta with a matte look. So depend on the design. Usually we work with that with fusioning. Start with the matte top coat, and then put fusioning on it, and you do your crystal over. Looks super nice.
Yeah, that's gonna be so awesome. Oh my god.
And yes, you know what? We can also plan that. Maybe we can do in the next few videos. We can do fusioning.
Where my little one? Oh no, I want. I said I want the pink one. My picker. I really want to go in the green though.
Yep, you can put a big green stone in the middle and just start spreading them around. It will stand out real nice among all the bright color.
No, that's all. Huh? What bright color?
Yep, so Courtney requests for fusioning next video, so you can show her how to work with the matte top.
Okay. Sure. I would love to. Next video it is tomorrow. I know, I'm so excited. Like Vicky will laugh. She was here over the weekend, helped me. We worked so hard. We're enjoying it. So excited. It's just all we do is for to make it this amazing happen for a lot of our students, and also for a lot of glitz lover. So as my picker has been moving. It's just a love about this. So let me get some beads here. It's so stunning. It has not only had all like SS4, SS6, 8, 10, 12, and 16, and have also 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14 different shapes. That's why you seeing me really enjoy with all different colors. I'm like, I pick one shape up. I say, oh, I like it, but I like it better. This one better. So then you can just change a different shape as you are working on it. Fusioning is one of my favorite techniques too. I love it how it's fusioning. It's make it so much easier. You know what? I really like to connect it like this. I didn't want to change. Or destroy this, the flowers, because I like that. That's really simple and easy. Yeah, I hope you're really enjoying it. And I actually like it's really cool and it's really easy. You know, it's funny though because I haven't seen you all for a couple days, and I feel like it's forever. You feel so? A lot of beats this way. It's far away from my reach, but we got it. So tomorrow we're definitely gonna see you back again, like earlier instead of later. Can't wait. Ah, I found it. Yay, I found the purple. I love the little S because you can match any color that this flowers is. Oh, actually, I like it a lot. Move this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. You see me covered with centerpieces. This time I really enjoying it. It's like a kind of a ombre fading look. Yeah. Hello everyone.